It is widely believed today that behavioral skills are much more important than academic and technical skills. For success in business, career, and even in studies, these skills or attributes, often called soft skills, are vital. The pressures of today's working world requires working together with others in a collaborative effort. This means often being part of a project team, leading a team, or negotiating terms and contracts with competitors, business partners, and colleagues. At Certe, we proudly provide training to leading companies, government departments, and small businesses across the globe. We look forward to exceeding your expectations and providing you with training that is fun, engaging, and tailored to your specific learning needs. Our behavioral competent courses include presentation skills, communication skills, networking skills, negotiation skills, influencing and persuading, time management, impact and personal effectiveness, effective meetings, successful minute taking, facilitation techniques, giving feedback, business writing, managing difficult conversations, building a successful team, assertiveness at work, and train the trainer. Our training methodology aims to include everyone's learning and communication styles so that everyone feels engaged and able to interact actively in the training session. The courses include group and individual exercises and practical activities, allowing your staff to enhance their ability to apply behavioral development tools. Our range of behavioral competent development training can be tailored to meet your organization's specific needs. We work with our clients in order to fully understand their needs and to deliver a practical training program that will achieve incredible results. Equip yourself today with the knowledge and the tools that you need by visiting our website, www.tcerte.com.